Okay, good afternoon and welcome to Daily 3D Revolve. Today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to create a paperclip and how to use the Revolve tool in Design Sparks Mechanical, or the sweep tool actually. Okay, we're going to go ahead and create a new design. Click the eye icon to change the view. Then I have a reference file, so we're going to go ahead and import that reference file. Make sure you change your file types to all, and then go ahead and click on your import file and import it in. This is our file here. Right now my measurements are set up for inches, so to change them to metric, you go to File, go to Design Spark Options, go to Units, and then go ahead from here, change them from empirical to metric. It's just that easy. Then click OK. Okay, so I know I'm going to start off with a reference line just to see where we are with this part. Okay, 31 is what it should be. Okay, that's pretty small, so we're going to have to reduce down this reference drawing. So go ahead, hold the Shift key down, reverse that, reduce that down. Control plus will actually zoom in, so I'm going to zoom in twice. I'm going to pan down. Okay, pan down to there. It looks like the part still needs to be a little bit bigger. So we're going to go ahead and blow the part up a little bit. Okay, click on it, hold the Shift key down, and zoom in. And zoom it up. Okay, a little bit bigger. Okay, that looks like that's about right. Okay, so delete that reference line. Okay, let's start drawing this. So I'm going to go from here to here is 15 or 31. Okay, click off of that. And we're going to draw the 3-point arch. The 3-point arch is going to be 10, so it's going from here to here, so 10. And we need to snap it over to there. This is where it would be helpful to have your snaps on. Right there. Okay. So now we're going to go ahead and put another line in there. So the line's going to go from there over to there. And it's going to be 24 inches. Go ahead and click that. Okay. Now we need to put another 3-point arch in there. It's going to go from here down to here, which is going to be 9. So go ahead and click 9. Now the snaps are on, so click there. Okay, now add another line segment from here to here is going to be 22. Okay, click off of it. Now this one is like 3, 6, it's almost 8. So we'll just make it a little bit smaller. It doesn't have to be perfect. So we'll go with 3-point arch. Go from here up to, let's just go there. I need it to be a little smaller anyways. Okay. Well, that's a little bit too far off. So let's turn off the snaps. Draw the 3-point arch again. From there to there. Snap it. And then we're going to draw one more reference line, one more line from here to here. It's going to be 15. Okay, there we go. Okay, now we no longer need the reference file, so we're going to delete that. Well, it looks like something happened there, so I'm going to have to delete that line. Add a new one in there. Okay, now we're going to click over to 3D view. We'll rotate drawing slightly with the spin tool. And we're going to select that N right there. Come on. All right, select. right there. I'm going to add a circle. Right there, add a small circle. You have to be 0.8. Okay. Change that to that. Let's go to the pull tool. Zoom in. Select that, zoom out. I'm going to sweep along this path here. Select the arrow. For some reason it's not sweeping. All right, let's go. Sweep. Okay. Let's go to view this, top view. Okay, that's going to end today's lesson. I thank you for watching, and hopefully you got something useful out of this tutorial. Thanks again.